to another episode of Bartending with Bones. I'm Bones. If you're new to the channel, please consider liking, subscribing, so you don't miss any future videos. Now, today, we're going to do up the Jimmy Lopez Manhattan. It involves some bourbon, apricot brandy, and some extra dry vermouth. Let's begin. First, you need a cocktail glass and a shaker cup with some cracked ice. Grab your jigger. You need 1 ounce of bourbon. Then you need 3/4 of an ounce of extra dry vermouth. Why they gotta make these things so small? They give you so little bit of whatever. Then 1 teaspoon of apricot brandy. So we're just gonna do a little dash. There we go. Go ahead, shake it up. People back then couldn't hold a liquor. That's all it is. Either that or just it costs too much to make it. I don't know what the answer is. Y'all tell me in the comments what y'all think. People couldn't hold their liquor, or it cost too much to make it. What y'all think? And then 1 cherry. There we go. Cheers, everybody. Honestly speaking, everything just drowns each other out. They all just play into each other and just drown everybody else out. There's like no notes. You could just drink this over and over and over again and get real drunk off of it, because there's really no flavor. Guess that's why Jimmy liked it, because he got drunk off of it. It's real good. There's literally no flavor, no notes. I don't know, people. Y'all make it and tell me what y'all think. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you, and have a good day.